Hi, it's Deb from Deb's Days Designs, and I'm back today with another sewing project for you. Today's tutorial will have us learning how to make a Christmas stocking for our feline friends in the shape of a fish. Before I get started, I publish new content frequently, so be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and check out the blog at debsdays.com for even more sewing and crafting projects. And check out my Etsy shop, Deb's Days Designs, where you'll find the written version of many of my projects with step-by-step written instructions, color photos, cutting measurements, and printable templates. And since these are digital download patterns, you can print them off at home and get started on your next sewing project today. I've added a link in the description below this video. Alright, let's get this project started. Along with your regular sewing supplies for this project, you'll need a main fabric, a lining fabric, fabric for a loop, and of course the printable template. First, we're going to make the loop. For the hanging loop, fold the strip in half lengthwise with the wrong sides of the fabric facing each other and press it to make a crease. Open it back up. Fold one side to the midpoint crease and press it. Fold the other side to the midpoint crease and press it. Fold the entire piece over and press it. Top stitch about 1/8 of an inch all the way around and across the fabric strip. Then cut out the templates and tape them together to make one long piece. Place one piece of lining fabric with the right side of the fabric facing up. Place a piece of main fabric on top with the right side of the fabric facing down. Place the template on top, pin it in place, cut out the fabrics, and then remove the template. Place the other piece of lining with the right side of the fabric facing up. Place the other piece of main fabric on top with the right side facing down. And again, place the template on the stack and cut out the fish. Keeping the stack in place, the lining facing up, the right side of the fabric facing down, we're going to add the loop. Fold the fabric strip in half and open up one of the stacks with the right sides of the fabric showing. Place the loop inside the two layers with the raw edges of the loop matching along the upper edge of the fish face. And then stitch all the way around the fish using a 1/4 inch seam allowance, leaving a space on the side open for turning. With your other stack, stitch that stack using a 1/4 inch seam allowance and leaving a spot on the side of that one open for turning. Notch the inner points and the curves. I like to use pinking shears instead to reduce that bulk. Turn one of the pieces right side out and press it. Fold the opening under and press it to form a crease. Do the same with the other fish. Then top stitch around the top part of the fish 1/8 of an inch to 1/4 inch from the edge. Do the same with the other fish piece. Then place one piece with the lining fabric facing up. Place the other piece on top with the lining fabric facing down. Use fabric clips or pins to hold it in place, and stitch the stack together by sewing around the sides and the bottom of the fish about 1/8 of an inch to 1/4 inch from the edges. And just like that, just that fast, you have a Christmas stocking for your little or big kitty cat. If you'd like to see more projects like this one, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, check out the blog at debsdays.com, or visit my Etsy shop, Deb's Days Designs. See you next time with another project.